Imagine waking up one morning and realizing you have $1 million invested, not sitting in cash, not locked in a risky business deal, but calmly invested in Vanguard index funds. No flashing charts, no constant trading, no stress, just money quietly working in the background. Now the question that naturally comes to mind is simple but powerful. How fast can that $1 million turn into $2 million? That question sounds exciting, but the answer is not flashy. It's not dramatic. It's not something you'll hear in motivational speeches. It's actually very boring. And that's why it works. Today, we're going to talk slowly, clearly, and honestly about how money actually grows when invested in Vanguard index funds, how long doubling realistically takes, what usually goes wrong for people, and why patience beats intelligence almost every time. Let's start with something very important. Money does not grow because you work harder once it's invested. Money grows because of time. Once your money is inside an index fund, your job is mostly done. The market does the work. Businesses do the work. Economic growth does the work. Your main responsibility becomes not interfering. This is where most people fail. Now, before we talk about numbers, we need to understand what Vanguard index funds actually are. A Vanguard index fund is not a single stock. It's not a bet on one company. It's ownership in thousands of companies at once. When you invest in something like the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund, you are buying small pieces of almost every publicly traded company in the United States. Big companies, small companies, new companies, old companies. You don't need to guess which company will succeed. You own them all. Some will fail. Some will struggle. Some will grow slowly. But a few will grow massively. And over time, those winners pull the entire market upward. This is why index funds work. They don't rely on being smart. They rely on participating. Now let's talk about returns. Historically, the U.S. stock market has returned about 7 to 10% per year over long periods, after adjusting for inflation. This does not mean every year looks the same. Some years are amazing. Some years are terrible. Some years feel pointless. But over decades, the average settles into that range. And that average is what matters. So let's talk about doubling. There is a simple rule many investors use called the rule of 72. You take the number 72 and divide it by your annual return. The result is roughly how many years it takes for your money to double. This is not exact math. It's a shortcut, but it's accurate enough for long-term thinking. Let's apply it. If your investment grows at 7% per year, then 72 divided by 7 equals a little over 10 years. That means $1 million invested at 7% could become $2 million in about 10 years. If returns are closer to 10%, then 72 divided by 10 equals about 7 years. So under stronger conditions, doubling could happen in 7 to 8 years. Already, this tells us something important. Doubling $1 million does not require extreme risk. It does not require luck. It does not require genius. It requires time and staying invested. Now let's slow this down and really understand what's happening year by year. In the first year, if you earn 7%, your $1 million grows by about $70,000. That might not feel exciting, but remember something critical. You did nothing for that money. No overtime, no side hustle, no boss, just ownership. In the second year, you're not earning 7% on $1 million anymore. You're re-earning it on $1,070,000. So now the growth is slightly larger. And every year after that, the growth becomes bigger, even though the percentage stays the same. This is compounding. And compounding is slow at first. Very slow. So slow that many people quit before it becomes meaningful. This is why most people never experience real wealth growth. They don't wait long enough. Now here's something that surprises many people. The journey from $0 to $1 million usually takes far longer than the journey from $1 million to $2 million. Why? Because the first million depends mostly on your effort. Saving, working, investing small amounts. The second million depends mostly on your money working for you. Once you have a large base, growth accelerates. At $1 million, a 7% return gives you $70,000 per year. At $2 million, the same return gives you $140,000 per year. At $4 million, it gives you $280,000 per year. At some point, the growth becomes larger than most people's salaries. And that's when wealth feels different. But getting there requires patience most people don't have. Now let's address a very important reality. The market does not move in a straight line. There will be crashes. There will be recessions. There will be moments where your $1 million drops to $800,000 or even $700,000. This is normal. It has happened many times before. The key difference between people who double their money and people who don't is behavior. People who panic sell lock in losses. People who stay invested allow recovery to happen. Historically, every major market crash has eventually recovered and gone on to reach new highs. Not in a year. Not always in 5 years. But over time. Time is the most important ingredient. Now let's talk about withdrawals. If you leave the entire $1 million invested and never touch it, doubling is straightforward. But what if you start withdrawing money? This is where things slow down. If you withdraw a small amount, like 2 or 3% per year, your investment may still grow, but more slowly. If you withdraw large amounts, compounding weakens. This is why people who want their money to grow fast keep withdrawals low or delay them entirely. Now let's talk about fees. One of the biggest advantages of Vanguard index funds is low fees. Fees matter more than people realize. A difference of just 1% in fees can reduce your final wealth by hundreds of thousands or even millions over decades. Vanguard keeps fees extremely low, which means more of your return stays with you. This directly affects how fast your money doubles. Lower fees mean fewer years to double. Now let's talk about emotions. Most people think investing is about intelligence. It's not. It's about discipline. You don't need to predict the market. You don't need to read financial news every day. You don't need to react to headlines. In fact, reacting usually makes things worse. The investors who double their money fastest are often the ones who barely pay attention. They invest. They rebalance occasionally. They stay the course. Now let's address unrealistic expectations. Some people see a bull market and expect their money to double in 2 or 3 years. That can happen in rare periods, but it is not normal and not reliable. Building wealth is not about what can happen. It's about what usually happens. And what usually happens is steady growth over long periods. If you base your expectations on reality, you are more likely to succeed. Now let's zoom out even more. If you invest $1 million at 7% and leave it alone, in 10 years, it's about $2 million. In 20 years, it's about $4 million. In 30 years, it's about $8 million. Notice how time changes everything. The first 10 years give you $1 extra million. The next 10 years give you $2 million. The next 10 years give you $4 million. Same strategy, same behavior, just time. This is why patience is the most valuable asset an investor has. Now let's talk about something rarely discussed. Wealth feels slow when you're building it, and fast when you're losing it. A single bad decision can undo years of progress. This is why simplicity matters. Index investing reduces mistakes. Less decisions mean fewer chances to mess things up. Now let's talk about psychology again. Many people become overconfident when markets are rising. They start trading. They chase returns. They increase risk. This often leads to underperformance. The people who stick with boring index funds usually outperform not because the strategy is better, but because they stick with it. Consistency beats brilliance. Now let's answer the main question clearly. How fast can $1 million double with Vanguard index funds? Under realistic long-term conditions, about 7 to 10 years, faster in strong markets, slower during rough periods, not guaranteed, but historically very likely if you stay invested. That's the truth. No drama. No shortcuts. Just patience. And patience is rare, which is why it works. If you understand this, you already know more than most investors. Because the secret isn't hidden. It's just boring. And boring is powerful. If you made it this far, you now understand something most people never do. Wealth isn't built by speed. It's built by time, discipline, and staying invested. Thanks for watching.